Have you ever pondered the origins of the eyewear we take for granted today? The history of eyewear is a fascinating journey spanning centuries and civilizations, brimming with innovation and creativity. Today we delve into this intriguing narrative, tracing the evolution of eyewear from its humble beginnings to the modern marvels we see today. Our story begins in the ancient world around the 1st century AD with the Roman Emperor Nero. Famed for his theatricality, Nero would watch gladiatorial games through an emerald, using it much like a magnifying glass. This, in a way, marked the inception of the idea of eyewear, though the actual invention of spectacles was still centuries away. Fast forward to the 13th century in Italy, the birthplace of the earliest form of eyewear. Monks and scholars used primitive reading aids known as rivet spectacles. These were glass lenses mounted on frames made of wood, leather, or metal, and held before the eyes using a handle. The invention of these spectacles represented a significant leap in the history of eyewear, offering a solution to the age-old problem of failing eyesight. By the 15th century, eyewear took another remarkable turn with the advent of the Nuremberg spectacles. These were the first spectacles with a full frame and a riveted bridge, allowing them to perch on the wearer's nose. This design was a precursor to the eyewear we are familiar with today. The 18th century saw the introduction of bifocals, thanks to the ingenuity of Benjamin Franklin. Frustrated with constantly switching between different pairs of glasses, Franklin decided to cut two lenses in half and join them together. This invention allowed people to see both near and far without changing spectacles, revolutionizing the world of eyewear. The 19th century brought about the widespread use of eyeglasses. However, they were not only seen as a practical necessity, but also as a fashion statement. Lorgnettes, monocles, and pince-nez became popular, reflecting the aesthetic tastes of the time. In the 20th century, eyewear took a giant leap forward with the invention of contact lenses. First made from glass and later from plastic, these lenses sat directly on the eye, providing a new level of visual clarity. Sunglasses also came into vogue, offering protection from harmful UV rays while exuding style and glamour. Today, in the 21st century, eyewear has evolved beyond corrective and protective purposes. Smart glasses equipped with augmented reality are transforming the way we interact with the world. These high-tech devices are a testament to the remarkable journey of eyewear, from Nero's emerald to today's cutting-edge technology. To recap, the history of eyewear is a captivating tale of innovation and evolution. From the rudimentary rivet spectacles of the 13th century to the stylish and functional eyewear of the 19th century. From the revolutionary bifocals to the invention of contact lenses, and finally to the advent of smart glasses, eyewear has come a long way. Each development in this narrative not only highlights human ingenuity, but also reflects the changing needs and tastes of society. Embrace the journey and the evolution, for through the looking glass of history we see not just the past, but also the future.